Yeah, we've been studying earthquakes, yeah, that's when the earth shakes. Snow, pretty picnic and a snow, happy birthday. We all know now what causes the rumbling and what's responsible for the buildings crumbling. Tectonic plates grinding and rubbing together, and when there's too much stress, here comes the tremor. The magnitude of which is measured on the Richter scale. Seismometers show this in great detail. The Mercalli scale measures intensity, and when the earthquakes are strong, yo, somebody save me. Tectonic plates are massive rust floating on magma, one of nature's scariest natural disasters. Earthquakes rumble, earthquakes shake, earthquakes happen from rubbing tectonic plates. Earthquakes shudder like a milkshake. What's that over there? Oh, hold up, wait. Converging is when the plates come together. You get mountain ranges, we know this cause we're clever. Diverging is when the plates move apart. We get volcanoes, we know this cause we're smart. Earthquakes are dangerous, the falling buildings are deadly. Definitely not stable, definitely not steady. The focus is underground, epicenters on the surface. Living on plate boundaries, people are nervous. Earthquakes happen at the transform fault boundary. Living in Australia, we can't sleep more soundly, cause earthquakes are rare in the middle of a place. So we really got lucky living in this place. Earthquakes rumble, earthquakes shake, earthquakes happen from rubbing tectonic plates. Earthquakes shudder like a milkshake. Earthquake! Shouts to 5W.